Good evening. Hi, welcome to Lights, Camera, Nothing. Today we're doing a fantastic Easter special. I'm going to show you specifically, yeah, the one who's like, me? You, how to dye Easter eggs in neat fashion. Because one of us read on how to do some neat dyeing techniques. So I'm going to do a shaving cream technique, a tie-dye technique, and the ancient Shirobi technique from Japan, which strangely involves rubber bands. And you're going to do...
I have no clue.
That's right. Alright, so we've got the colors here. This is supposed to be pink.
It's not looking pink anymore.
It looks pink up here. It looks like powdery pink. This is from one of those past really inexpensive egg dyeing kits that you can get from Shoppers Drug Mart, Walmart. We have gold paint, we have food coloring, we have vinegar, we have sparkly,
Speckles.
We have gold stuff, we have some cups, we have eggs, which strangely enough is one of those things you have to have.
Yeah.
For my shaving cream eggs, I'm going to actually be using whipped cream.
Yeah.
Because apparently the shaving cream makes it inedible. I don't see why.
We're gonna eat these suckers. Thank you.
There's an egg for you. There's an egg for me.
I just about cracked it.
This one dripped on me.
I was going to legit crack it and start peeling.
Here, have a piece of that. I'm just gonna eat the egg. That's gonna be a dumb video. just eating the eggs. Alright, so I'm going to start with... What are you gonna start with?
I'm gonna start with the invisible crayon.
The invisible crayon I couldn't find?
Yeah, and I'm gonna write something.
Alright, I'm going to start with the... This is non-cream cream because I got it for free. I didn't get a spoon though, so I'm not that right.
Do you want me to grab one?
No, I'm gonna...
My whisk is not gonna help you.
Why does the whisk not pick the stuff up? No, we're supposed to do this. Okay,
that is definitely expired.
So, for this technique, what you're supposed to do is take your shaving cream, or whipped cream if you want to eat the egg after. Shaving cream's poisonous. But almost, oh, look at this slide. Okay, ADD is getting away from me. You take your cream, put it on some sort of plate or vessel. You drop in a few different drops of food coloring in the thing, and then you roll your egg around, and it's supposed to be a beautiful marble.
I just broke the frickin' crayon.
The show gets better every day.
And I missed where I was writing, so now my words are probably messed up.
That's the weird thing about the invisible crayon. It is genuinely invisible, but we have lots of eggs, so you can have another egg.
I'm sad. No, we'll see how this turns out.
Commit to it? Alright, so let's put some red, green. That green does not look green. That's not right. Some blue.
Why didn't you use the ones that we already have open up in the thing?
I couldn't find them. And this...
Men in the no eyes are looking.
Hey, more men watch this show than women. Right, men? Give a subscribe. Help a brother out. I got an eye roll for that one. Okay, so here's my palette. Can you see that? I don't care. If I tip it in,
I don't care.
If I tip it anymore, it's going to fall off the plate.
Let's see.
No, it's moving. Alright.
Splash.
What are you doing? Oh, you're just waiting. Do you want to start another egg while you're waiting? I'm not supposed to...
I'm just going to watch you for a minute. Oh.
Roll around. Get them all icky. Ew, I don't like touching this. It was pretty until I hit that red.
Yeah.
And then we will set aside, at the end of our show, you are going to decide who has the best looking egg out of our selection of eggs. Oh, it's not pretty. Right?
Oh, then
I'm pretty sure it's like
it makes
golden.
it pretty.
It makes it pretty. Because there's nothing like happy accidents. Alright. What else was I doing? Tie-dye. This one's going to be neat. So, for a tie-dye egg...
I end up sliding it off.
We need... You take some paper towel. No. You know,
Our Easter will be very colorful tomorrow then.
If it didn't have the ink in it, that would be funny. I would laugh. I would genuinely laugh. But it's
funny because it has the
No, that would
coloring.
be unfunny. Anyways.
He thinks it would be unfunny. You guys would think it's funny. Look at the blackbird. There's a blackbird
Guys,
outside.
look at the blackbird.
Shut up.
Anyways. Well, she takes pictures of birds you guys can't see.
I'm videotaping it so you can put it in the corner so people can see them.
You can see what we see. You
Whoops,
take a little bit of
fucked
vinegar.
Jeez.
White vinegar, because... Is there black vinegar or something? I don't know.
No.
Anyways.
Oh no, he blew away. He flew away.
Okay. You're fired. I need a new co-host. You take a paper towel.
Auditions will be happening.
You moisten it a
Next
little
week.
bit with vinegar. I missed a spot. You have to soak that in. You wrap it around your egg. Nice and obviously perfectly neatly. It said not to do too many layers, so I don't want to kind of... I don't want this piece. Like this. Nice, neat. Now this is a tie-dye egg. And then you put the dye.
Now it's super strong.
You do 3 colors at a time at the most. But anyways, you put a drop directly onto the thing. Drop. 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 Let's get some red in here. This actually looks neat already. Is that color's going through? I don't know. Drop. 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 I gotta get some at the top and the bottom here. It's gonna be naked. Drop.
Naked egg.
We can't have naked eggs. I must decide. Drop. Do I want to do another color or do I just want to do red and blue? I guess it's my choice. It's my
I think
body,
you
my
should put a
choice.
little bit of yellow in, maybe. Or
The yellow's not very yellow. 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 How's yours looking? Oh, it's so pink!
My words are not fully on.
I can read it though. Get the lid on some?
I kind of got glue
look
on
at
my
that.
fingers.
Doesn't it look tie-dyed?
Yeah.
Okay, let's let this sit in here.
We're gonna have our fingers dyed. Well, you are. So far, I've been nice and clean.
You are always a lot cleaner at stuff than I am. There's this glitter.
Except for eating.
Yeah, you know, you eat like a... There's something else, dear.
I is.
Alright, last is the ancient Japanese Shirobi type.
This is the doohickey where you crack me.
No.
Oh.
No, that was for eating. When you do the soy sauce thing.
Oh, okay.
What I'm going to do is take a single egg of chicken. I think. It didn't say chicken on the box, so.
Single egg of chicken.
And you put elastic bands around it. Ancient Japanese elastic bands.
Oh, I know what you're doing.
I'm doing Shirobi technique. I said that.
Yeah, but I didn't know.
Well,
Now I'm knowing. Fuck's sakes.
Ancient Japanese people used a lot of rubber bands. The baby didn't even agree with that one. And then traditionally this is done with a blue dye. So I will start with a blue dye. This one's blue. And now we wait. How does your come off? You gotta tap that.
Well,
it's sticky, right?
yeah.
It's like that stuff I put on my face in the time of the Halloween.
Oh. What sticky stuff are you tapping on your face?
So far, all I've managed to do is make the house smell of eggs.
Vinegar.
I don't know how long it's been, but I'm going to wipe the excess off my monstrosity egg. It looks a bit prettier now. It looks like all my colors have just melded together.
I just made my finger very glittery.
But I've committed to the idea.
What? Ew.
Don't ew that. It's natural looking. It's gorgeous.
It's
I'm
sad
not done.
looking.
It's sad looking. Okay, whatever. I'm not done yet. If you're doing the shaving cream thing, don't leave it sit for like 30 seconds and wipe it off because, like I did, because you have ADD and you can't control yourself.
Here, pass me an egg. Thank you.
You can scoop that off and do your own.
No. Let me do what I want to do. Jeez. Why are you such a pain in the butt?
So, since my shaving cream egg is gorgeous, but a little too subtle for my taste. I'm gonna put it in this cup and then put food coloring on it, see what happens. This is also not working how I wanted it to. Sort of beating off the egg. Beating off the egg. Well, my egg looks like a murder scene. But I have an idea that my cohort will come back in a second to help with. Can you grab the baking soda? I partially read another technique that involves vinegar and baking soda. So since I made an egg murder scene, let's do an egg murder scene before you do this. You're supposed to put it on with your fingers here.
I know, I didn't want to touch it though.
I forgot about my other egg. Oh, it's a different color. Whatever.
What egg?
My Shirobi one. Now we add a little bit of baking soda to our vinegar concoction.
I bet this is
And science, beaches! And now that I've made primordial ooze.
Oh, it smells so bad.
It does smell bad.
Gross.
It's sort of a green color.
I would like to try the tie-dye. He's got spots.
Yeah.
That's pretty cool.
Okay, maybe saturated, I don't know.
Try not to get glitter stuck to my face. Dry spot right there.
Yeah, that's what I did too. Alright, wrap up your egg.
In what way?
Just tight.
This tight?
Yeah, tight so the paper towel is touching
this
the egg.
is
So maybe pull the ends and we'll do a better job than I did.
Strong smelling.
Yeah.
I'm doing my own thing!
Right now, yours looks like a mushroom.
I think it looks like one of those dinosaur eggs.
Oh, my other egg! Well, it's blue.
It's very blue.
Yours does look like a dinosaur egg.
It's
Your
galaxy.
pink egg looks like it was balding and it tried to cover up a bald spot.
It's supposed to be a crown.
Okay.
Yeah, this is my crown.
I can see that. I can see that.
Here, you can take that grossness over your way.
Oh, look at my fingers. Okay.
I've only got a little bit.
3.
Alright, do you want any more colors? Or are you just going to do it like that?
Just like that.
We will display our eggs. You guys can vote on who's the best. Mine. And then we will see you next time on Lights, Camera, Nothing. Don't forget to like, unless you didn't like it, and subscribe, unless you've already subscribed. I know you haven't, but you can do that. And we'll see you next time. Bye!
Bye.